Hello.
Hello, how are
Hi.
you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am great, thank you.
Good. I'm glad to hear it. My name is Janine. What's your name?
My name is Mohammed Ramzan.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Mohammed Ramzan. And where are you
It's
from?
nice to meet you too.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Jammu and Kashmir, that is in India.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's amazing. I don't think I've met anyone from Kashmir before.
Yes, okay,
That's very cool. Well, I'm from Scotland. Do you know Scotland?
okay.
Yeah.
So basically, in this specific session, what I want is like I wanted to do some practice on my pronunciation. So please open any specific lesson from where I could
Yeah,
go
of
through the words
course.
and yes.
That sounds perfect. So, is there a type of words that you want to talk about? Like, are you wanting to speak about a particular vocabulary? Like
Yes,
anything at all?
anything that is in general mostly used, most common words.
Okay, most common words. Let's take a look then. We can have some. Would you like intermediate or would you like advanced conversation?
Yes, intermediate for now.
Intermediate, perfect. We can go for that. Okay. We can choose city life. Does that seem like something that is relevant to you?
Yes, yes, that's fine.
Yeah? Okay, perfect. Let's choose that then. Okay, great. So then let's have a little chat about city life. Do you live in the city?
Yes, I live in the city.
Okay, perfect. Then that is definitely relevant. So, how would you like me to correct you? Would you like me to type it or would you like me to tell you?
Just I will be going through the words and you should just correct me the pronunciation.
Okay, perfect. Right. I will do that. And I will take notes at the same time as well so you can refer back. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, perfect. Let's get started then. Okay. So, would you like to read them?
Yes, actually, in the yesterday's class, what I found was like there was list of words and uh,
Okay.
those were like synonyms.
Oh,
And
okay, I see. So you would
yes,
like to do more vocabulary based then?
yes, yes.
Right, I understand. Okay. Let me take a look then. I'm wondering which resources they used for this. Um, we could use something on Engu if you like, and you could read an article. Would that be of use to you?
Yes, okay, that's fine if you are
Yeah.
thinking that is useful for me. Yeah.
I think it might be useful for that because then you can read the article aloud and then I can tell you how your pronunciation is from
Yes,
that.
yes. Okay.
Yeah, does that sound good?
Yes, good.
Okay, perfect. Right. We can pick something on the news. I will choose one here. Okay. We could do like a news article and you could read that aloud. Does that sound
Okay.
okay?
Okay,
Okay,
that's
great.
fine.
Okay, I will copy and paste it into our chat box here. And if there's one that you like the look of, you can choose whatever you think is the most appealing. Can you see the link okay?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, great. So which one do you think looks of interest to you?
I choose the first one, which was like the best places to see the northern lights.
Best place to see the Northern Lights. Great. Okay, that sounds perfect. Wow, I love the Northern Lights. They are beautiful.
So I should speak the vocabulary which is over here.
Yes, of course. Go for it. You can speak it
Yes.
aloud and I'll let you know.
Okay. The first one is Arctic Circle,
Perfect. Arctic Circle.
then region,
Good.
light pollution, van,
Perfect.
snowmobile,
You got it.
and then we have exercise 2, which is articles. So the best places to see the northern lights. The northern lights are colors that can be seen in the sky, usually in places near the Arctic circle. They are usually green or pink, and the best time to see them is from September until April, from about 9:30 p.m. to 1 a.m. Here are 3
Excellent.
great places to view the northern lights. So is it correct?
Yes, good. So we can stop after every paragraph and I'll let you know. So all of that was great apart from usually and April. So say with me, say usually.
Usually.
Yeah, you want a zh kind of sound. Usually.
Usually.
Yes, you got it. Yes, excellent. So usually.
Good. And the next one is April.
April. So it's more like an April. Yeah.
April.
Yeah, perfect. You got it. Excellent.
Yes, and then after here are 3 great places to view the northern lights. Lapland, Finland. The northern lights can be seen on about 150 nights a year in Lapland, a region in the north of Finland. One popular place is Onasvare, a mountain about a 10-minute drive from the city center of Lapland's capital, Rovaniemi.
Good, good.
Yes.
I don't know the pronunciation for the Finnish names, but the rest of that was perfect.
Okay. And then finally we have, however, it's best to go to places where there is no light pollution to see the northern lights. Visitors can take bus and van tours from Rovaniemi or go out to see the lights on skis or snowmobiles, or even get pulled by reindeer. Is it correct?
Good. Okay, yes. So I've put little notes in the corner. So for the first one is on skis or snowmobiles.
Okay, skis and snowmobiles.
Yes, you got it. Perfect. And the last one you did correct it right. It's reindeer.
Reindeer.
Yes, exactly. Like it's raining on the deer. Reindeer.
Okay, great. So can you please suggest me any specific way to make my pronunciation more better in terms of my tongue and all? So do you have any suggestion for this?
For this? Yeah, well, to be honest, right now your pronunciation is pretty good. I would say that you are very understandable. I would say your pronunciation is very good. It's just the odd words. So maybe with intonation. So maybe some more up and down intonation in the way that you speak.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what I mean? So more like, however, it's best to go to places where there is no light pollution, like more emphasis and emotion, if you know what I mean, in terms of intonation. But otherwise, I think that was really good. I pointed out the words that you made errors with, but otherwise, I think your pronunciation was really good.
Okay, great. So, I will be practicing more about reading articles, and in that way, I think that I can improve the rest of the things, like most difficult words, which I am not able to pronounce.
Yes, exactly. Reading these aloud helps you and me, teachers, to figure out where the issues are in your speech. But obviously today we only did a short bit. But maybe next time we could do a bit longer, and then we'll have a better idea.
Yes, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
great. It's so nice to meet you.
Yes,
See you
bye.
again. Bye-bye.